Reaction channels. Yes, we're going to talk about it. This genre of YouTube videos is extremely hated and loved at the same time. But above all, these channels make a lot of money.
Oh my god! Oh my fucking god!
And today, I'll teach you how to make money by watching movies or songs or reacting by the comfort of your couch. So, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Before we get to the method, we need to understand why people watch reaction videos. Think of reaction videos like loaning a friend your favorite book or video game and waiting to see what they thought of it, what parts they loved, if they care about this as much as you do. Reaction videos offer a live feed of someone responding, reacting, to something the viewer probably already knows and loves. The viewer can watch them be surprised by the twists and turns, become emotional at the right moments.
The fact that humans can do this is unbelievable.
And there is a huge market for it. But you must be wondering, is there any money in it? The answer is, yes there is. Let's look at this channel, Popcorn in Bed. This is just a chick flick loving woman who started watching different genres of movies, which she otherwise would have never watched. There is a very good chance that her videos are copyright claimed, but they are not copyright striked. Because it is transformative in nature. She does commentary and reaction on top of the video, and it makes it transformative in nature. But she has a clever way of monetizing videos. It's through Patreon, merchandising and live streams. On Patreon, she has over 2,000 patrons. With a minimum membership of $3, she is making $6,000 a month. She also has her own merchandise which she can easily promote and sell through various social media. I promise you she is making at least $4,000 a month from the merch. And then there is live streams. On YouTube live streams, people will donate to her using Super Chat and she rakes in another $1,000 easily per live stream. In total, she earns over $12,000 per month, and this does not include non-copyright claimed videos on her channel. This is not the only example. Here are some YouTube channels who bring in same amount of money, and you know what the best part is. Reaction channels are some of the fastest growing channels on YouTube. In just over a year, Popcorn in Bed has gained 190,000 subscribers. One thing you need to identify is what you want to react to. If you are a girl, you can react to movies that are not chick flicks. If you are a guy of color, you can react to music videos that you and your community would not watch. For example, there are videos of African Americans reacting to rock music or metal music which rake up millions of views. For white guys, reacting to foreign movies, foreign foods is in high demand. Think of it this way. You would want to react to things that you are not exposed to in a stereotypical way. Research on YouTube what channels similar to your ethnicity or culture are reacting to, and I'm pretty confident you will find a few topics to react to. So here's how you execute this plan. Set up a YouTube channel, make a list of 3 to 5 YouTube channels based on the points we discussed earlier, and start reacting to the same content. Yes, you heard it right. Just copy-paste it. Here's why. If their videos are still up on YouTube, it means that they have not been copyright striked. Next, set up your Patreon and your social medias. Link all of them to your channel. Always shout out your Patreon at the start of the video and at the end of the video. And in no time, you will gain thousands of subscribers. If you liked the video, hit that subscribe button and comment down below your YouTube channel name and I'll check it out.